So it's time for some river cruise. So beautiful. Ganda. So we are here at Vienna Central Station. So if you're going here, dapat mga at least 1 hour before the departure, nandito ka na. So punta na kami sa Gate 12, riding the train. Welcome. Wala tayo nakalimutan? Okay, wala. Lamig pa din. After 3 hours kasi nagta-traffic din pala sa train, no? Ang daming pa stop-stop sa train, so nagta-traffic din. Nandito na kami sa Budapest. It's adventure time! We're gonna take a big bus here para maikot na namin yung buong city. Hungarian steak and the Hungarian sausage with potato fritters ebulat. How was it? You like it? Go, mother. Try, mother. Sarap ba yung potato? Eh, kunin mo yung goulash, try na. It's a must to eat at Hungarian restaurant here in Budapest when you go here. Of course, we're in Hungary. Bawal magutom. Grabe, ang sarap ng Hungarian sausage nito dito talaga. Ito ba talaga galing to? Oh my gosh, legit. So we are here at the big bus tour. So if you take this, you can hop on and hop off anytime you want. It has 20 plus stops. And kung saan ka sumakay, pwede din doon ka rin bumaba. And it takes almost 2 hours to tour the Budapest. So meron kami ganito, ine-explain yung lahat ng mga nadadaanan namin. You will just have to choose the language that you prefer. So beautiful. Bumaba na kami sa bus and magpapapicture kami dito sa magandang bridge. At ito yung view na Budapest. Ay! Grabe, ang lakas ng hangin dito. Wala, vlog! Ganda. In fairness, ang ganda ng Budapest at hindi mabaho. Ay, ito yung mga pag-bus. Galing, grabe. Mother, go. Okay, so sasakay ulit. Bumaba kami ng bus, sasakay ulit kami ng bus. Pwede ka bumaba to take photo, pwede rin namang hindi kung gusto mo lang nakaupo ka at i-view mo lang yung seat. But this time, we're gonna take another double-decker bus. Okay, sakay na tayo dito sa ating bus. Perfect! Sakto pala, 5 minutes and minutes. Hello. Yeah, again. Every time you go up, you have to present the ticket. Oh, here. We have already. Hi. Why is it closed? Oh, it's closed? Oh, thank you. Uy, may ginit dito.
Mahawak ha?
Mahawak. Ginit. Kaya medyo may lilim ako dito. Love, love, love. ganda ng mga building. So these are the luxury places here. The luxury street. So we decided to have coffee and look at the view while having coffee. So beautiful in here. This is where the bus stops, the tour bus stops. It's a nice restaurant and bar. Ang ganda sa Budapest. Grabe. Not enough time, but at least we try to experience for half a day. Irish coffee, hot macchiato, and some cappuccino. Ma! Ang ganda ng view. Ang picture. The New York Palace, the most beautiful cafe in the world. As they said. Oh wow, it looks really good now, no? Beautiful. Intercontinental Hotel.
Ako tayo. Mag-aro river cruising tayo sa... Ano pangalan ng river na to?
Danube?
Danube River.
Mami, Erika! So let's go inside the boat. We're gonna do cruise.
Here in Budapest.
We made it to the cruise boat. This is just the waiting boat. It's not the cruise boat. Go pa tayo for the cruise boat. Pero hindi na tayo abot.
Mag-selfie tayo.
So dito kami sasakay. That's the cruise ship. Tatawid kami. Ayan, may pila na. Excited na si Mother. So it's time for some river cruise! Wow!
That's for my home forever.
Dun, sarap yun. Ayun o, sa right. Sakto tayo dun. Alright! O, doon ka sa... Diyan ka para kami magpipicture. The best is the best. Yan, di ba? Abot mo na yung it is underpass nila. May subway din yung ano nila. So dito kailangan dito 30 minutes before the train ang dating mo kasi kung hindi, matagal ka maghihintay. This is the quiet zone. Doon tayo sa Courage 2 pa tayo. We should have booked this, but you have to keep walking. Business class. You wanna go inside, my love? Makiupo ka na dyan. Business. Ito yung relax zone. Harry Potter. Excuse me. Okay, so pabalik na kami na Austria. Hey! Si mother nila sa harap. So, 2 hours and 20 minutes matulog.